Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the Evernote web clipper. Let's begin. The Evernote web clipper is a browser extension that allows you to clip and save content from the web directly to your Evernote account. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the web clipper page, all right? And from there, click the Get Web Clipper button right here. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this section, and you see the Web Clipper extension can save almost anything from the web: screen grabs, articles, and PDFs. You have three options. You can save it to your Google Chrome as an extension, to Firefox, and Safari. If you click the Google Chrome, you will be forwarded to this page. All right, and you can use the Evernote extension to save things you see on the web into your Evernote account. It's kind of a very handy tool. All you have to do is click the Add to Chrome and click the Add extension. All right, so just wait for it. Want to make sure that you are already logged into your Evernote account on the web. All right, and the web clipper has been added to Chrome. All right, so let's try that now. Now, once you are signed in, and of course, successfully installed the web clipper extension to your browser. In my case, I have been using Google Chrome for quite some time. You can begin clipping. Go to the web page you can want to clip. For example, the web clipper from Evernote. You just hover to the top right corner where you can see your extensions. In my case, this, and click the Evernote web clipper. All right. And again, this page needs to be reloaded before you can clip it. Reload the page and try it again. So let's try to hit the refresh button. All right, click the web clipper. You see there is an full extension here. Clip full page to Evernote, clip bookmark to Evernote, and clip a screenshot to Evernote, whichever you prefer. If you click the options right here, you would notice you would be forwarded to the section. You can change the appearance to use the system settings, or if you wanted to use a dark mode, you can use that. You can use a smart filling or use the last used notebook. For the daily notes, you can of course change this to maybe deep lapse. I wanted to save all the web clips to deep lapse. All right. You can also use a tag. We have a separate video on how to use tags here in our Deep Lapse YouTube channel that you might want to check. All right. But for now, we're going to add a tag here. For the default clip action, you can use the use clip, or is it going to be an article, full page, bookmark, or simplified article? I'm going to click the article for now, or if you want to click the full page. Now, after click, do you want to show the successful clip dialog or show successful clip dialog without related notes? But I'm just going to choose the first options. And on the related results, you can show Evernote content related to the web searches. And in terms of the PDF page button, you can show save to Evernote button on the PDF pages. All right. So once you've set up the settings for Evernote web clipper, right, click that, and then go back again here, click the web clipper. It's loading the web clipper. Again, you have multiple options here. Basically, we have set that setting earlier, right? So now you can add it to task if you wanted. For example, I'm going to add a task, a tag, notes or comments to someone. This is going to be helpful if you're in a collaborative environment, if you're working with multiple freelancers, or maybe if you're working for a client and the client asks you to web clip this specific web content for references earlier. Again, the settings here, if you wanted, you can use some shortcuts. All right. You can use this, and you can use the logs. Basically, it's a handy tool for clipping content from web page. Now, after that, since we're going to be clipping this, click the save clip, wait for it syncing. Remember this option. Make sure that you synced your device to all platforms. All right. If you're using the mobile Evernote app, the desktop application, and the web version, make sure that they are synced together so you can access all different platforms at the same time or simultaneously. Now, once you do that, you would notice that you have two options. Open in Evernote app, which is going to be the desktop application, or open in Evernote web. If we click the first one, what will happen is we'll be forwarded to our web version, and we can access the web clip, which is just this one. Of course, you can rename it as this, and then you can simply click this button to share this to your client, to your team members for collaborative efforts. All right. If you go back again here, if you want to open that in the Evernote app, what will happen is it will open the Evernote desktop application on your computer. Wait for it, takes a little while. So this is going to be the desktop application. So essentially, that's one of the reasons why using the Evernote web clipper is a really great way to quickly save articles, images, or parts of a web page for later reference or research. All right. Unlike taking screenshots, the web clipper saves the contents as editable text and images, making it more useful for references and organization. You can create custom content, organize clip into notebooks, and use tags to categorize your content for easy retrieval later. Now, if you wanted to use the web clipper for your mobile device, it acts differently. Now, if you're using the mobile device, for example, you click the specific web page, all right? For you to be able to use the Evernote web clipper, all you have to do is go to the three dots icon on the top right corner, click that, and you see this option right here that says share. You might want to click the that option because you see there's an elephant icon. That means it is part, or you can use the web clipper here. It's kind of limited, not the desktop or the web version. You might want to click it. Click the Evernote. All right. What will happen is it would be forwarded. It's clipping. All right. So again, similarly to the web version, you can have some options before you clip this. And of course, you can choose from the following notebook, deep laughs, home if you want. For the home task or personal plans, you can also choose that. If you're using the notebook, you can add tags if you want. For example, deep laughs, right? Click that and click the save button. What will happen is it's clipping. All right, it's clip saved. Now, for you to be able to see that, you have to launch the Evernote on the mobile device. And then look for that clipped. That's going to be under the D Plus notebook. And there you go. This is going to be the full website that has been clipped on the mobile device. And again, you can organize clipped content into notebooks and use tags to categorize your content for easy retrieval. This helps you create a structured database of web-based resources. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.